Good morning, children. Good morning, children. So now we have completed almost 95% of that lesson. Only few problems are left out. That problems I am going to solve now. I didn't solve in the first exercise because now after solving those problems, now it's very easy for you to understand. Okay, children? So now listen to me carefully. First, that is in first exercise, first exercise, eighth main. First exercise, eighth main. Those who are having textbook, you can easily check. I want you to purchase the textbooks and even classwork yesterday I have sent. I want classwork by Monday. Okay? I'll send classwork today also. You have to complete it fast. So now the eighth main, first exercise, eighth main. The question is, yeah.
Can we leave this person?
You see the question?
Write that question, ma'am.
Is 8 upon 9, 8 upon 9, the multiplicative inverse, take down, multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 8 is 8 upon 9, the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 8, question mark, why? Why not? Why not? Good children. So now we'll check whether 8 upon 9 is a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 8 or not. So do you remember when we multiply? Listen first. When we multiply a number with its multiplicative inverse, when we multiply a number with its multiplicative inverse, we must get 1. We must get 1. What is 1? Multiplicative identity element of multiplication. Similarly, when we add a number with its additive inverse, we should get 0. Do you remember, children? Yeah, good. So now we'll check whether 8 upon 9 is a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 8 or not. So now we'll write 8 upon 9 as it is. 8 upon 9 as it is. So now then we will take minus 1 upon 8. How to write and how to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction? Mixed fraction into improper fraction, after converting, what you'll get? 8 ones are 8.
Ma'am, 9 divided
8
by
plus
8.
1?
Minus 9 upon 8.
Minus 9 upon 8. It is
9 upon
minus
8.
9 upon 8. Do you remember how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction? That is minus 9 upon 8. Now we'll check. 8 upon 9 is a inverse or not. Now we will multiply with its inverse, that is minus 9 upon 8. Minus 9 upon 8. Now what can be done? It's multiplication. We can cancel 8 and 8. 8 ones are and 9 ones are. What is the answer? Minus 1. Minus 1 is 8 upon 9 a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 1 upon 8? We got 1. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
No, because we must get plus 1. Here we got minus 1. Here we got minus 1. So now write no. 8 upon 9 is not a multiplicative inverse of inverse of minus 1 upon 8 because why? Because when we multiply,
Instead of plus 1,
when we multiply a number with its multiplicative inverse, we must get plus 1. Here we got, here, take down, here we got minus 1. Okay? Okay, done, children? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Just go through this.
Yes, ma'am,
It
over.
is exercise 1.1. 8 main it is. It is 8 main. Okay? Understood? Understood, children? So now, take down. I'll give time to write. Understood? Understood? Yeah, now you need time to write. Do you need time to write? Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Okay? Salman, what is that chatting? I think you have pressed. Check your chat box, what it is. Am I audible to you? Just now I got
Yes, ma'am.
in chat box that I'm not audible. Am I audible? Dalvin, you can unmute and tell me. Am I audible? Dalvin? Yeah, thumbs up. Good. Am I audible? You can nod your heads, children. Okay, okay, good, good, good. So, yeah, again, I'll share. You just copy it fast.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, RS, I'll send it through the WhatsApp again. Shall we move to next question, children? So next we have 9th one. So textbook is compulsory. Otherwise, it's very difficult for you to learn. Textbooks are very important. I want you to take textbook by next week. Okay? Yeah, 9th one. So the 9th main is the same way 9th main is. Question is because I can't write all the questions. In next lesson, questions are lengthy. I can't write the questions in a half an hour class. I want every one of you to have your textbook with you. Only I'll tell you the page number and the question number. That's it. Okay. So now take is 0.3. The multiplicative inverse of 3 1 upon 3 question mark. Why or why not? Why or why not? We'll check this. So 0.3 solution again. So recall decimal conversion of decimal. In first question we converted mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Now it's in decimal form. It's in decimal form. We'll check. We'll convert decimal to a fraction. So how to write decimal to a fraction? 0.3. How can we write into fraction? How to write 0.3 in fractions?
3 upon 10.
3 upon 10. Yeah, it is
10.
3 upon 10. Do you remember, children? Ramya? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we have one more number, 3 1 upon 3. So, how to convert this again into an improper fraction? 3 1 upon 3. What is the number?
10 upon 3.
Yeah, it is 10 upon 3.
10 upon 3.
3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3. Now we will check. Now we will check. 3 upon 10 into 10 upon 3. 3 upon 10 into 10 upon 3. What will be the answer? What will
1.
be the answer? 1.
Plus 1.
Yeah, 10 and 10 gets
Plus
cancelled. 3 and 3, 1. It is plus 1. Plus 1. So what's your conclusion? Whether 0.3 is a multiplicative inverse of 3 1 upon 3?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yes. So now, what's the result? Yeah.
Yes.
Our result is yes. S. 0.3 is a multiplicative inverse of 3 1 upon 3. So now we need to write reason to, because they have asked why or why not. Why or why not? Because this is answer for why, because we got 1 as an answer after multiplying a number with its multiplicative inverse with the other number, because two numbers are there. Whether the concept is clear to you people? Clear to you people? Yeah, writing, good. Take down fast. You want me to scroll? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, scroll, ma'am.
Yeah, Shraddha is on my screen. Aditya, should nod your head. And even Sanya and Yashaswini. Done? Finished?
Ma'am, can you scroll down, ma'am?
Shraddha, I'm unable to hear you. I don't know whether the problem is with you or in this system. I don't know.
The last line is
Today I'm
not
unable
visible.
to hear you people.
Ma'am, last
We have
line
to
is
do the
not
actions.
visible.
Done or what? Done? Shraddha, you can see your page. Tell me. Yeah, Aditya has given green signal. Okay, good. What about Sanya? Done? Megan, I am? Okay. Okay, done, children? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send it to the WhatsApp again. Any doubt in this lesson? Shreya done?
No, ma'am.
Shreya written? Shreya. Okay. Yeah, Ramya. Ramya. Your question was from the 11th main exercise first, 11th main, okay, and the fourth one. Am I right, Ramya? Am I right? Yeah, the question was reciprocal of 1 upon x. What is a reciprocal of 1 upon x? X can be any integer, but it can't be 0. They have given x is not equal to 0. Exercise 1, 11th question. Exercise 1.1, Ramya had a doubt in that. Okay, so let me clear the doubt. The reciprocal of 1 upon x, where x is not equal to 0. Okay, it means x can be any integer, but not, it can't be 0. So what is the reciprocal of 1 upon x? It is x. It is x. Okay, it is x. You can consider that as any number. It is x. Any doubt?
Ma'am.
Any other doubts, children? You can text me. I'll answer.
Ma'am.
You can text me, no problem. Okay. See how nicely Ramya has sent me.
Ma'am. Another doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear? Okay, here we have finished this first lesson, that is rational numbers. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday you said, no, ma'am, that you should
No
write in
doubt in
class
this?
work.
Ma'am, I have doubt. Main second
No,
one.
ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Shall we conduct one
No,
test
ma'am.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
next Saturday? I'll send the classwork. I'll send the classwork.
Ma'am.
Okay, we'll conduct one test.
Ma'am, this is only for
Small
practice.
test.
Ma'am, this is only for
Should be like online. Everybody should unmute. The person to whom I'll ask questions, they can answer and everybody can attend.
Ma'am, this is only.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is only for
Yeah,
practice.
Murali, do you have any problem? You have raised your hand. Sorry, children, I am unable to hear you. You're not audible.
Ma'am, this is
Today,
for
I don't know.
practice.
What's the reason?
Ma'am, this is for practice.
Shall we end up? Here we have finished our first lesson. First lesson completed. Yeah, Ramya, please you type and send me. I'm unable to hear any one of you. Yeah, even Sai Murari has raised your hand. Ramya, you can text me. Use chat box and send which one you want me to solve. Here we have completed few questions. Yeah, even Aditya is having doubt. Send me. Ma'am, doubt. Shraddha Kaveri. Yeah. What's the doubt, Shraddha? Sorry, I'm unable to hear you people. 1.2 second main. Okay. 1.2 second main. Yeah, it was representation of numbers on number line. Yeah, Ramya, am I right? Representation of, yeah, it is minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11. On that day we solved, no?
Ma'am, I was not.
Ma'am, this is only for practice. 1 point, what practice? Wait, Shraddha, I got your question. And let me solve first Ramya's question. 1.2 second main, that is representing. Am I right, Ramya? You can nod your head. Yeah, wait, I'll show you. Yeah, that is representation of minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11 on number line. So now as it is a negative number, first number, you can see it's a negative. You can write minus 1 upon 11, minus 2 upon 11, minus 3 upon 11, minus 4 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, continuously, minus 7 upon 11, minus 8 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11, minus 10 upon 11, Again, minus 11 upon 11 will be the minus 1. Okay, here our numbers are this, and then 5 upon 11 and 9 upon 11. Got clear, Ramya? Okay, shall we move to next doubt? That is Shraddha's. Let me check what's the doubt. 10th main second question. 10th main second question. In which exercise?
1 point.
In which exercise? First exercise. 1.1. 10th main.
Yes, ma'am.
10th main second question. Okay, the rational
Yes, ma'am.
numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. Okay, the same one. The rational numbers that are equal to the reciprocals are 1 and 1. The rational number, this is Shraddha's doubt. Okay, the rational numbers which are equal to the reciprocals that are 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1. What is the reciprocal of 1? 1 itself. And what is reciprocal of minus 1? Minus 1. Any other questions, children? Yeah, Sai Murari, which Ramya said, same doubt. Shraddha, any other doubts?
No,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yeah, you can text me fast. Maitri, yeah, ma'am, should we take new book from the school? Okay. Kritika, no, ma'am, no doubt. Okay. Maitri, you should take books. As I said, the next lesson questions are very lengthy, very lengthy. Okay, just only 2 to 3 problems can be solved in a period, in a one session. So I want every one of you to have textbook. Okay, classwork, Aditya MR, the classwork on exercise, have books. Come, Yashaswini BA, yes. Then any other doubt? Today it's last session of this first lesson. From Monday, Tuesday, we'll have sessions on physics. Again, we'll start with math. Aditya, ma'am, what about you that now? What I have given, you have to write it. Classwork from school, yes, dear. Meghanayam Ganiga, you have text. Okay, classwork from school, yes, you have to take classwork from.
Ma'am, the rational number which are equally to
The
that.
ma'am should be write in school book. Yes, you should write it in school book. Then,
Ma'am.
Sorry, children, I'm unable to hear. You can send whatever the doubts you have. You can send it fast. No other doubt? No other doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Recall everything. Okay, take care. Bye.